Hey folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin with another video where I'm going to show you right now in this video, live, step by step, how to make $800 plus per day by downloading, come here, free ebooks. And I'm going to show you proof. Let me log into one of my accounts. Remember, before you sub or like any of my videos now, make sure that the person that you're listening to actually show you proof that they are doing this first. So look, it's September 1st here. This is a merchant processor. This is what I'm using with this method here to make this type of money. If you see here, September 1st here, 2020. So if I hit the word submit, you're able to see the amount of money I've made so far today using just downloading free ebooks and posting them on a site and making the money. Let me hit submit here. Here we go. Look here. So you see that? That's $858 so far that I've made today, right? Only like 8. Look, that's crazy, right? So pay attention, okay? Remember, don't smash the like button. I know you want to, right? Until I give you massive value. First site that you have to go to is this site right here. Pay attention. Go to indigitalworks.com. Hey, big head, write it down. indigitalworks.com. This site right here, it is free to sign up, and you basically get free ebooks. These are high quality PLR products that you can sell, okay? And guess what? This site will do all the work for you. So you don't have to write the ebook. You don't have to be an editor. You don't have to come up with anything. They have everything that you need on this site. Smash the like button if you can appreciate that site. Let's go! Okay, check it out. Stop. Okay? Now, you want to register for a free account. I already have an account. It's free to register. Listen, don't spend any money because it's free. Then what you want to do is go to this link that says free products here. Free ebooks. You see that? Okay. So once you go there, okay, then you'll see ebooks here. You see all these ebooks here? Well, these are ebooks that you can download right now. And I'm going to show you how you download this ebook and place it on another site to start making money today. As in, like right now. And it works. I do this every day. It's fun. It's a fun way to make an extra like $500 to $800 a day for me. And if you follow and if you listen here, as you decide to like this video here, you're going to realize that you can do it too. And you'll never work another job. And you'll understand that financial freedom is truly possible by using the internet platform. As a matter of fact, since I'm doing this for free for you, big head, smash the like button. Let's go! All right, look, listen. So, obviously, I need to tell you which ebook that is working very well for me right now. Now, usually, internet marketers, they'll never give you the actual secret sauce. They'll tell you, say, hey, go get 7 products for 7 days. Get that ebook and make money. BS, it won't make you any money, okay? What I'm going to do, because I want to deserve your like right now, I'm going to give you the exact book that I use to make the $800 per day. Like today, I'm up $858, right? That's profit. Haven't spent any money. These are free organic ways to make this, okay? So let's scroll down here. It's not Insomniac. Nope, it's not that one. Let's scroll down. I'm going to give you the exact ebook. It's not Fit to be Pregnant. Absolutely not. Let me show you the exact book that you need to get right now. Here it is. Instagram monetization checklist. Why? Because you have over 2 billion people right now that use Instagram every single day, which means is everybody is trying to learn how to monetize their Instagram. And listen, you can go through my channel right now. I have a video where I show you step by step on how to do that. All right. My Instagram channel, I make about $5,000 to $10,000 a day from my channel. And I can show you if you have 0 followers, 100, 1,000. Doesn't really matter if you use these techniques if you listen close. But what we're going to do is you want to take that Instagram monetization checklist, okay? And you want to download that. You just click the word download. You with me? Okay? You download that to your computer because what you're going to do is understand this. These books that you see on this site give you the option to resell. So what you're going to do is you're going to download it for free and you're going to sell it to other people that are trying to learn how to do this. See, they did all the work for you. I know some of you are lazy, right? And if you can feel this energy, let's go! Smash the like button, right? Now I know some of you are willing to work, but listen, it's about working smart and not hard. So if you're willing to work smart, smash the like button, leave me a comment below. Let me know where you're calling from, because I always want to make videos that are specific to your country or where you live so you can make money right now, okay? Now, listen, let me show you the website that's going to send you the money like over and over and over again, okay? You want to know? So we've already downloaded. Now you want to go to this site. This site is where you're going to take that ebook. Listen, stop. Listen. This is where you're going to take this ebook and you're going to set it up. Leave the page open. Download it to your computer, okay? Now, what you want to do now is go to this site right here called gumroad.com, okay? Gum as in chewing gum, and road like a car, road.com. It gives you as a creator to do more what they love, and they have earned over $330 million just selling films, courses, and music. But what you're going to sell is sell books, and you're going to sell the same book that I just gave you on the site, because this is what I do. I do this today, okay? This is what I do. I'm showing you exactly what I do. Look here again, to earn that $858. That's today. Using this method here, smash the like button if I'm giving you massive value. So what you do here is now you just sign up for a free account. I have my free account right here. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and we're gonna go to products here. Okay. Here we go. Start selling today. This is what we're gonna do. So you're gonna publish your first product. You can either start selling it today to make money right now, or you can pre-order, which means is people can pay you money right now and you'll deliver the product later, or you can do a membership. I suggest do classic, okay? Name of the product is going to be what? That's easy. Go back here. Instagram monetization checklist, right? Instagram monetization checklist for newbies, right? That's a good name. I just made that up, by the way. You can do the same thing as well, or you can just copy what I did. So let's charge them, let's say $49. I think that's fair. $49 to give them access to that. Then you want to customize here. See, I told you I was going to do this step by step. Okay. Then we hit next. See how easy this is? This is very simple to do, right? Then what you want to do is give a description of the product. Now make sure, now this is tricky here. Make sure a description is something that allows people to want to buy, right? You have to build their interest. So look, description is want to make a ton of money using your Instagram. I can't spell here. Instagram. Use, I say IMC. I just created that. Use IMC and discover how to start earning cash from your pictures and posts. See that? That's it. Now you have to put an image. Now what image do I want to use? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this image. So what you can do is this, you can do a screenshot, right? You either do a screenshot, and you can always clean this up later, okay? For the purpose of the video, I'm going to get this done because I want you to start using this like right now. After this video, I want you to start this, and I want you to have your first ebook up immediately, okay? Done deal. See, look at that. Boom, it's there, right? That's your link that says I want this, because you want people to want this now, right? When they're gonna pay you $49, and that's your copy here, right? And I'm just giving you guys, an example here, okay? And then you want to upload your content. If you have any content or any files here, you can ask any details. To get details, all you need to do is open up the book itself and read the book and put the details of what people are going to get. Now listen, this is very important. When you're doing this, if you want to make a ton of money, make sure you add the benefits, okay? Make sense? Add the benefits, not features. Benefits. That means tell people what they're going to get once they're monetizing or once they get this product right now. Let them know what they're going to receive. Are they going to be able to travel the world, be able to leave their job, be able to be butt naked on the beach with their iPhone? Because all you need is an iPhone here to do this, actually. You don't even need a computer here. And you can make a ton of money using Instagram. So that's what you put here in the details here. All right. Makes sense? You can say you'll get the IMC method right now for a cost of a gym membership. All right, $50 a month. See, you can listen. You can use this copy as well. Okay. Now, I do want you to be a little bit more creative. I'm doing this very quickly here, and I just want you to be able to understand that. Then you upload the file. You upload the exact file that you downloaded here. Okay. When you hit that download button there, it's going to download to your computer. Okay. And once you download it to your computer, you want to upload it right here to the website now, right? And listen, you just save changes. And here's the link. You hit the publish button here, okay? You right click and copy that. Save changes, okay? Once you hit the word publish, this is going to be live. Now look at this. You probably must have at least one file. Okay, I didn't upload the file. But I just say if I uploaded the file, just for the purposes of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you do it. That's how easy it is. You go to your Facebook account and you type in Instagram, okay? I do this every day. I actually have a team to do it for me. Instagram, okay? When you type in Instagram, you're going to see groups, okay? And once you see these groups, you want to basically join these groups and you want to talk about and post your link about how you can help people grow their Instagram. Everybody on Instagram is trying to make money, period, using their IG. I make a ton of money, okay? And that checklist that you just downloaded, you can join groups. 1 or 2, go to your Instagram account and just email or reach out and DM everybody. Say, hey, check this out. This is an easy way to start monetizing your Instagram. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. You can start right now. And you just post your link. What link am I talking about? This link right here. This is the link. This site is going to host the product for you. So when they buy and purchase, you start making money, okay? We reach out to like thousands of people every single day. And if I reach out to 1,000 people and I make only $800, is that a win-win? Can I get an amen in the comments below? Let's go! I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin.